Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Remotasks review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll be talking about this website called Remotasks or remotasks.com. So this is a remote task review and you are on their beautiful website. It says earn in US dollars doing online tasks from home. Join our community of 240,000 plus taskers. Start earning today. Okay, so if you're doing your research about this website, that how much can you make on this website, and should you be spending your time on this website in completing these tasks, how does it work? Okay, so we'll go through all these things, how it works, FAQs, and probably by the end of the video you might go and find, and you will definitely find a better option to make money online if you watch this video till the end. Okay, so there are a lot of websites on the internet. These websites are called get to, I guess GPT, get paid to click. Okay, so you will find other websites similar to remotasks.com as well on the internet, and these websites will ask you to do a micro task or do a certain job and you will be making few cents only. Okay, so it depends which country you're coming from. If a dollar is a big deal for you, so let's say you're in Philippines or maybe in Thailand, Indonesia, then yes, dollar is a big deal there, because then if you are in one of those countries and if you can earn maybe $2, $3, $5 per day from this website, that will be something good for you, I guess. Okay, but nowadays I don't think it's enough for anybody. Okay, so I have done my research on this website, and to start with, to talk about the history, you can see here this website was registered back in 2017 in March. Okay, so this website has been working since I guess 5 years now, so well over more than 5 years they had been in business. Okay, and if I go here on this website similarweb.com, I can see their data. They have a lot of employees, 1,000 to 5,000 employees. Headquarters is in Costa Rica. Okay, and their rank is pretty good, number 7, and they get millions of visitors. So last month they got 2.4 million visitors. The only problem I see here is that these visitors are not from America. Okay, so you can figure this out here. The majority of the traffic is coming from Philippines, Venezuela, then India, then Kenya, then Colombia, and these are those countries where earning in dollars is not common. Okay, especially in Philippines and Venezuela. I can't take this name. Venezuela, right? Pardon me on this. Okay, Venezuela, I guess. Okay, Philippines, Venezuela. Again, I can't pronounce this name. And India is, well, people might be doing some job, but yeah, so it depends. But mainly the traffic is coming from outside outside Europe and outside America. Okay, so I would say those people who are interested in trading their time in doing some tasks and they're happy in making maybe $1 or $2 for like 2 hours. Okay, I mean, this website Remotasks will pay you around, I guess, 50 cents for 1 hour. Okay, so that's why you don't see any traffic from America here. Okay, if this website was paying for your time well, then you will see a lot of people in America using the website. But in America, people can easily make 10, 20, 50 times more money than what you will be making with this website remotasks.com. Okay, is it legit? Yes, it is legit. It does pay you the money. You have to complete the tasks, and the problem I see with this is that you have to go and complete some courses first. Okay, so if I go into some FAQs here, right, so you will see do we have to pay? So it's free. Okay, and how do I get more tasks? So each project has a specific number of tasks available. Take more courses and get enabled to work on more projects. Okay, so I'm not sure if you have done freelancing or not. Like if you go on fiverr.com or this freelancer.com, they have certain courses, like English speaking course. So if you take that course, you can show you can show your clients that you can speak English, right? And you can take some SEO course and you can pass that course, and then you can show that on your portfolio that okay, things about SEO, right? Similarly here, you have to go and do a lot of courses so that you can show your clients that yes, I have the skill and then you might get projects relevant to those courses. I don't like it, okay? I don't like it at all, because to earn pennies, I don't have to go and do all this, okay? If if you're living in America, Canada, Europe, you can earn hell lot of money just by doing cleaning jobs. Go and wash cars outside, you can earn 10 to 15 bucks per hour, okay? So yeah, but the problem, that's the whole point here, because this website is not for people who are in America, because it's literally not worth trading your time for pennies, okay? So is this gonna make you money? Well, it depends what is money for you. If you make $2 per day, is that money for you? Then yes, it will make money for you. So if you go and work on this website full time, you might make those 100 to 150 bucks every month if you do this full time, okay? But trust me here, you will have to qualify on a number of projects to get to keep getting more and more new projects, okay? It's not easy, because you see here they claim that they have more than 200,000 community members, okay? If you have these many people coming on this website, then you will be competing with each other for getting tasks, okay? So for a person like me who knows things about online marketing and stuff like that, I can go and make my own money, okay? So if I give an example right now, this YouTube video which you're watching, this YouTube video is making money for me, even though I am not selling you anything in this video, okay? So I'm only gonna give you the overview of the exact methods how to make money online, okay? If you are interested in making money online, making money online does not mean that you have to go on some third-party websites and then do some certain tasks. It's called freelancing then, okay? If you have to go and complete certain tasks or do some jobs, that is freelancing. So you're going to trade your time and you're going to earn some pennies for that, okay? Especially if you are in those so-called third world countries, okay? So for some people, $5 per day might be enough, might be enough for you, I don't know. But yes, for people like in America, of course, you can't survive in $5 per day, okay? And plus, $5 for 4 or 5 hours, 4 or 5 hours of work, that's nonsense, okay? So I would say, yes, the website is legit. It does pay you on time. There are people making money on this website, but it depends. Money means how much money, okay? Are you happy in making $100 per month, maybe 150 bucks per month at most? If that's the kind of money you're looking for, then maybe you can go trade your time, okay? But if you are actually looking to make more money, okay, maybe let's say $500 per month, $1,000 per month more, okay, and also you want everything in your control. Everything in your control means that you don't want to depend on somebody else to pay you, okay? You don't want these Remotasks people to pay you through PayPal and they take away your 2% of money for transaction charges, okay? So you want to work and you want to get paid into your own bank account, right? Maybe you have your own Stripe gateways, PayPal. So your money is your money, okay? And you will be directly getting the money without actually having to depend on any third-party website, because no matter how genuine the website, the platform is, if they have to take out, if they have to take down your account, they'll block you, okay? So I'm not saying they will do this, but again, this is not your company, okay? So you have to understand that nothing is in your control. Yes, you will make few pennies here and there, but this is not something which you should consider if you are thinking about doing this make money online full time, because then you can utilize your time in doing better things online, in using better methods, okay? And this YouTube which I'm doing, it's one of the best. It's not one of the best, it is the best, okay? Making money on YouTube is the best thing you can ever do online, okay? Because first of all, making YouTube videos is absolutely free, okay? You can have as many YouTube channels you want. It's absolutely free. Plus, get your YouTube channel monetized and make money with that, okay? So you might have seen some ads in the beginning of this video. So these ads make me money whether I sell you something or not, okay? So this is how I make money on YouTube full time. Plus I go ahead and sometimes sell some products, and I have my own courses, okay? So I make money in multiple ways, right? And this is gonna happen when you have right skills, okay? It's not for everybody, but everybody can learn this, okay? So right now, if you're gonna invest your 4 hours in just earning $4, I would say utilize those 4 hours in learning some skills for YouTube, for email marketing, which will make you like big bucks in the times to come, okay? So Remotasks is fine enough, it's a legit website, but again guys, you can go and check out everything here. You will not get rich with this. Okay, the bottom line is you will not get rich with this. If you're if you're wondering about making $100 per month, okay, and even to make the money you have to qualify, you have to compete. Okay, you have to compete with these many people. Okay, and then you have to complete all those courses. I'm not sure if those courses are paid or free. They should be free. Okay, so you have to go and complete those courses to showcase your talent, that okay, you qualify for these projects. Okay, that's nonsense for me, at least for me, because making money is so super simple for me. Just get up in the get up every morning, make YouTube videos, make money, walk away. Okay, that's what I do. I make YouTube videos every day, I make my money, and people watch my videos and they watch my ads. That's it, simple. Okay, so if you want to know exactly how to do what I'm doing, then you can go below my YouTube video right now here. Okay, and we have some links here, so you click on show more, you'll find all these links. The first link says make money with traffic service, then second link says get cash tracking. So we'll talk about these things one by one. Let me see if I have to show you anything else here. I think I have shown you the traffic here already. Okay, so they're getting millions of traffic, but no traffic is from US or Europe or Canada. Okay, and anything else, nothing more here. So yes, this website is quite popular, and they are in business since last 5 years. Okay, and so let's talk about the real ways which will make you money, and those methods will be in your control. These kind of websites are going to kind of suck the blood out of you, to be very honest. Okay, because they are here to make profits. Okay, they are not here to make you rich. Instead, they want to hire some laborers, cheap laborers, or maybe laborers in some cheap cost. Okay, and then technically they will pay you a few bucks or a few pennies, and they will keep the majority of the profits. Let's accept the reality. Okay, you only make big bucks when you go and take control of your money. Okay, so let's say when you get the client pays you directly, that's your 100% profit. Okay, but if you go on fiverr.com or freelancer.com, they keep your commission, they keep your 20% cut. Okay, cut money, right? So that is why it's always advisable to go and deal directly. Do whatever you do online to make money, it has to be, the whole process has to be in your control. Okay, that is what I'm going to show you right now. So if you go below my YouTube video here, click on the first link which says make money with traffic service. Okay, and once you click on the link here, you will be seeing this page which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is going to be YouTube. Okay, now for you people, if you don't know how to make money on the internet, well, there's no magic system. What makes money online is traffic. Okay, traffic means you need to find people who will watch your videos, who will buy from you. Okay, and there are 2 ways you can do this. Either you can go ahead and grow your email list so that you can go and send emails every day, and those people will buy something from you from your emails, and if they buy, you will make commissions. Okay, second option is you make these YouTube videos, they will watch your videos, they will watch the ads, and you will make money. And in your YouTube videos you can always sell whatever you like. Okay, so the first option is making money with this email marketing. Now this system which you see here, you have to go and watch this video first of all. So click on this play button, then go on the next page, then enter your name and the email address. Okay, and then click on watch this free video, and then go back to your email, verify the email, then it will take you to this video, watch the video, take action. Okay, so it will it shows here they are making 15,000 plus with the system. I have made, I guess, 230 so far with the system. Okay, and this is a real proof to show you that it works. Now what is the system exactly? The system will give you 100 email leads per day. Understand? And these email leads will be from US, UK, Canada, Australia, high quality leads. Okay, so you will be getting these 100 leads per day from this system, which means you will be getting like 3,000 leads a month. Okay, and the maximum you can get 6,000. So how do you get 6,000? You have to go and watch this video for that. Okay, so yes, you go and grow your email leads, you get into the system. Okay, and then 1 month, 2 months, and 6 months down the line, in 6 months you will have minimum of 18,000 leads. Okay, that is how you grow your email leads, and you also get to email those leads every day. Okay, so let's say on day 1 you got 100 email leads. Okay, so you will be able to send an email, and next day you will have like 200 leads. On the 10th day you will have like 1,000 leads, and you can email them every single day. Okay, and if they buy from you, you will make money. This is how you make money online, not by wasting time on these websites. Okay, second option is obviously YouTube. Now YouTube is my expertise. This is Traffic Jarvis. This is my own course. Okay, so Traffic Jarvis will help you to get 1,000 YouTube subscribers and this 4,000 watch hours, which is actually necessary to get your YouTube channel monetized. Okay, so Traffic Jarvis will help you to get them in 2 weeks only, and then your YouTube channel will go into the review, and within a month, within 30 days, your YouTube channel will be monetized. And which means after that, from next month onwards, all you need to do is just make videos, upload videos, and make money. Okay, so you click on the play button here, enter your details on the next page, and click on this red button, Go back to your email, verify the email, then the email will take you to the traffic generators. This traffic generators video will be there. So watch this video and then take action, okay? And you can see here, this is the kind of money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything. And this is the kind of money I have made by doing some affiliate product reviews, okay? So you can see here, all these proofs are, genuine, and these systems work, which I'm talking about. So you can go ahead and try these methods if you really want to make money online, okay? And if you want to understand how to do these reviews, okay, how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, stuff like that, then you can try this skill checking training here. Or else, let's say by any chance, if you are an experienced marketer, okay, let's say you have an email list already, or you have a YouTube channel, okay, now you want to promote a product which will make you recurring commissions every month. Recurring means you sell that once and you make commissions, every month, okay? So you check out this system here. It says make 120 recurring commission, and click on this link here. And then go and enter your name and email address and click on email me my ebook, okay? And then go and verify your email, then get your ebook, then take action, okay? Now technically you are supposed to get into the system first here, and then you have to sell this system to others, okay? Because this system will pay you up to $120 from one person. So if you can bring in, let's say 10 people into the system, those 10 people can pay you up to $1,200 every month, okay? Not just once, every single month, okay? So this is for people who know how to sell online, okay? So this is again good for experienced marketers. Let's do a recap here. Remotasks is a genuine website, legit website, but here you have to trade your whole months of time, just for $100, okay, or maybe $150. And even for getting those $150, you have to compete with these 200,000 people plus, and you have to have so much skills. You have to go and complete all those courses. I will never do all this in my entire life, okay, because I make money in the most simplest way possible. Get up every morning and put on your headphones on your head, make your YouTube videos, okay? Now, if you think, making YouTube videos is all about coming on the camera, absolutely not. I have been doing this for quite some time now. I have never shown my face on camera, and trust me, you will never see my face on camera for the number of years to come, okay? I don't plan to come on the camera anytime soon because I am here to give you the content, okay? For creating content, for creating videos, it takes time. That is why for now I'm not coming on the camera, because you need knowledge, okay? Knowledge comes from my brain, okay? You don't need my face, okay? So anyway, so I guess Remotask is legit, but it will not make you rich. It will not, it's not worth your time, I would say, okay? If you really want to make money online in the serious way, and in the long term, then go and click on these links here. The first link, make money with traffic service, it will take you to this website. Here you have two options. Either you can do email marketing, okay? I have explained how you will get 100 leads and how you can email them, how you can make money, okay? This is a real proof. And if you are interested in doing exactly what I'm doing, is starting this YouTube channel, then you can try traffic service, okay? And if you have any experience, then you can sell the system, make 120 here, and that is how you will make more money recurring, okay? And if you want to know how to do these reviews, then you can try sharing. So I guess everything is self-explanatory here. Go and check out these links and then decide for yourself what will suit your personality, okay? And if you're watching this video till now, thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe right now. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. Share this video with your friends and family, okay? And hopefully I'll see you in the next video shortly. Subscribe, please, okay?